Rooftop Gardens is solving the lack of affordable access to locally grown fresh produce in urban areas. We will satisfy this need by renting unused space, allowing us to affordably provide fresh produce, providing products locally, helping the business improve their reputation, providing the business insulation during summer and winter, and helping the business save money. To concentrate our original efforts, our target customers will be large stores in Lincoln, Nebraska. Our market size in our first year will be 15 stores, including Walmart, Target, Hy-Vee, Costco, etc. Most of our products will be sent directly to the store of the roof that we will be using. Excess will go to other small grocery stores in Lincoln. We are confident in Rooftop Gardens because of the feedback we have received from end customers of the produce. Having this type of backing shows that your investment will be useful and worth it. For example, 37 out of 37 people are at least somewhat likely to purchase produce from a store that grows it on their rooftop. According to our research, we have no competitors. However, a similar business model are urban greenhouses, but these are located in larger cities and have more cost. So our greatest competitive advantage is that we are the first company to enter this market, and also we have very low overhead costs. We will reach our original customers by reaching out to managers and explaining our mission. After establishing ourselves, we will go to grocery conventions and associations. Our chain of activities are fairly simple and are laid out on the slide. Our total profit for year one is negative $86,036, and costs and revenue can be seen on the slide. We are confident in our future success because our past leadership roles and experience in this field. To help us be more successful, we will be hiring a horticulturist and marketing manager. We believe these are important hires because of the time this business will take and the expertise. With this information, we are asking you for $1,211,599. With that, you will get a stakes of 40% in Rooftop Gardens. We thank you for your time and are excited for our future.